Good evening, friends. My name is Sumojit Mitro, and today we are going to discuss about the normal constituents of urine. So, it is a very basic thing in our human body. But at first, if you are new in this channel, just subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get all the notifications of my videos and like this video. So, at first, we have to know that the classification of the normal constituents of urine, it does not have any definition. So at first we have to know that what is the classification of it. So let's start without wasting any time. So there is normal constituents. Normal constituents of urine. It is divided into two types. The first one is water and the second one is solid substances. The first one, water. And the second one, solid substances. So the water is very essential in the normal constituents of urine, because if we have not contained water in the constituent of urine, then our body urine will be jumped. It will not be transferred from one place to another place. Okay. So it does not have any classification. So we go to the solid substances. Solid substances are divided into two types, that are organic substances and inorganic substances, which is organic and inorganic. So inorganic does not have any classification. It have some examples. So you want to know the examples, that what are the examples. If you don't know the example, you cannot be classified in your class. Okay. So the examples are Cl minus, NaCl, PO4, SO4, Ka plus, Ca plus plus, Mg plus plus, Pb. Okay, so these are the examples of the inorganic substances. Now we have to go in the organic. Organic are divided into two types, that are nitrogenous and non-nitrogenous. It is divided into two. This is nitrogenous and the second one is non-nitrogenous. Okay, so nitrogenous have some examples and non-nitrogenous are also have examples. So we have to know the examples of the nitrogenous and non-nitrogenous. So nitrogenous examples are like urea, NH3, uric acid, fourth one creatine or creatinine, and the last one is amino acids. Now we are going to the non-nitrogenous part. So it is also have some examples. The first one is ketone bodies. Ketone bodies are very essential in the non-nitrogenous part. Ketone bodies. Second one, glucose. Ascorbic acid. And the last one is phenol solution. So this is the total chart of the normal constituents of urine. Now we are going to revise itself. So it is divided, normal constituents of urine are divided into two, that are water and solid substances. Solid substances are divided into two parts, that is organic and inorganic. Organic have some two classifiers, that are nitrogenous and non-nitrogenous, but inorganic have some examples, which are Cl minus, NaCl, PO4, SO4, K plus, Ca plus plus, Mg plus plus, Pb. Now nitrogenous have some examples, that are urea, NH3, uric acid, creatine or creatinine, amino acids. And non-nitrogenous are ketone bodies, glucose, ascorbic. There is an ascorbic acid and phenol solution. Okay, so our session ends in there. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment box. Okay, bye.